Hi guys, it's me, Molly, but I'm in my brother's avatar in Fleda facility. Okay, let's go. We're only going to do one round, sorry. We'll do some more rounds in another video.
Just walk around and do stuff. Yeah, Molly's going to be doing some more rounds in another video.
Do you want to know a secret, guys? If you haven't known
They already know that.
Look, it's a secret place.
It
It looks like you've got red hair.
I have got red hair.
No, like this. That's cool. There's a secret place. I want to find...
It looks like my avatar is red hair.
Yeah. I found it!
It kind of does.
It's changed, Jack.
No, what used to be there?
There was like...
Crystal.
Yeah.
Blake said that. I don't understand.
It's changed. What if we go the other way?
It's just a dead end.
Let's see, though, if there's two ways.
To what? Something
To
else?
another one. Yeah. Nope. Oh, the beast left on this game. Huh? Isn't that annoying for them?
That was just a little intro thing for the thing that...
Jack!
Guys, I'm in charge of sound effects.
Yeah. Jack, that scared me. Scooby-Doo-Dub-Dub-Dub-Dub-Dub-Dub-Dub-Dub. Guys, I'm the beast!
Oh.
Yep. Capture them all. Oh, am I the beast? Okay. It's weird in your avatar, Jack. Jack. Cut that.
It's because you're the beast. Guys, I'm just putting sound effects on.
I haven't found anyone yet. Disappointing. Oh, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Mama, just kill the man.
Did you just get someone though?
Nope.
Oh, I thought you got someone, so I just put that.
Disappointing. found someone, guys. She's AFK. She's AFK. She was just standing here.
Emotional.
Damn it! I didn't say anything! My dad just screamed at me. I found one person, but they got freed.
Oh, this is the life I deserve, my days. Oh.
What was
I don't
that?
know what that is. What story?
Emotional damage.
Expedia members save on travel.
Sorry,
Would you
it
stop?
was just an ad.
No, it wasn't.
It was an ad.
Oh,
Guys.
someone found a computer. I better get to this one and get them. Oh, helicopter, helicopter, copter. No! Stupid, that can't jump. I need to find that girl who's AFK. Jack!
This bold, wrinkly guy.
Probably
drinking-
annoying.
Huh?
Probably annoying then. Jack, they won't give us.
This is the world's most annoying sound, and only 2% of people can listen to the entire thing. Comment down below how long you were able to last.
I can't do that.
I can still hear it.
Hey everyone! I'm gonna try the Grimace shake. Tasty. Happy birthday, Grimace!
They can't decide. I'm doing what I like.
Little apple grows every time you hit the subscribe button.
Please subscribe, guys.
It's about to get.
Oh, she got away. She's probably going to just exit. Yes! Got her.
When it's at the end,
Almost.
tell me when it is, and then I'll do this.
Can I say bye? It's the end, guys. Bye.
Is this nearly coming to an end? Is someone still escaping?
Someone escaped here. Oh my gosh, what is that?
Someone's still escaping.
Someone escaped. Someone
one
was
person.
frozen. No, they got free. And
I can't use your music.
yeah. escape. Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. Bye.